Hello students, previous class we started our chapter 2, that is relation and functions. First we are discussing about relations. In relations, first we discussed what is the relation in our day to day life, which type of relation we are facing. Then mathematically what is relation. Then ordered pair we discussed. Then Cartesian product of two sets we discussed and solved some problem based on Cartesian product of two sets. And also Cartesian product of three sets we discuss. When we are considering Cartesian product of two sets, let us write the chapter, that is we are discussing now the chapter relations and functions. Since in case of two sets, if you are considering two sets A and B, then Cartesian product of these two sets A and B, it is denoted like this. You will not read A cross B or A into B, that is not the multiplication of two sets, rather this is the Cartesian product of two sets. And what is this? This is nothing but the it is again a set of ordered pairs A B, such that the first element of the ordered pair A belongs to your first set. So Cartesian product of two set A and B, it is nothing but is again a set of ordered pairs. In the ordered pair, the first element belongs to your first set A belongs to A, and your second element of the ordered pair B belongs to your second set. In this way you can find all the ordered pairs, and that you collect, that is a set, and this is your Cartesian product of two sets. But in case previously we discussed also ordered triplet. So if you are considering three sets, same set you can take also, no problem. Three sets, that is here again a ordered triplet is also a set of triplet A, B, C, such that the first element of the ordered triplet belongs to your first set A, second element B of your ordered triplet belongs to your second set, third element of the ordered triplet belongs to your third set. In this way you collect all the ordered triplets, then you can get the set which is your Cartesian product of three sets. This we discussed in our previous class. Also we discussed some remarks. Then today we will solve some problems. So based upon Cartesian product, let us solve some problem first. First problem, you are given ordered pair, given x by 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3, it is equal to right hand side another order pair. So here given left hand side, this is an equation. Left hand side one ordered pair is given, right hand side another ordered pair is given. This is 1 by 2, sorry this is 3 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3. Then what you will do, you have to find the value of x and y. So in this equation, what are the unknown? Unknown is the variable x, another variable y. So you have to find the values of x and y. So previous class we discussed in our notes that two ordered pair will be equal when if the first element of the first order set is equal to the first element of the second order set. So you can write, since this is your given, so you can write here x by 3 plus 1, it is equal to 5 by 3, and you can write in the first ordered pair second element, that is y minus 2 by 3, that will be equal to second element of the second ordered pair, that is 1 by 3. So now you know previous classes how to solve an equation, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. So x by 3 equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. This you solve 3 LCM, 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So x by 3 equal to 4 by 3. So implies x equal to 4. Then similarly, yes, one mistake I made here, that is 5 by 3 minus 1, that is after taking LCM 3, this will be 3, not 1. So 5 minus 3 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is x by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Now denominator are same, so implies x equal to 2. So the value of x is 2, and here similarly you can solve the value of y. Y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3, so y equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This one you take LCM 3, then numerator 1 plus 2 by 3. So here you can write y equal to 3 by 3 implies y equal to 1. So the value of x is 2, value of y. So for this x2 and y1, the given ordered pair are equal. Next, we'll solve next problem. Problem 2. Here given a set G of elements 7, 8, H is a set of elements 5, 4, 2. Then you have to find Cartesian product of G, H and Cartesian product of H and G. So first find Cartesian product of G and H. So that will be first G then H. So you write here the elements, the first element of set, because G is your first set, the first element of set G 7. Then you make ordered pair taking the first element 7 of set G and then all the elements of set H. So it is 7, 5. Then next order pair 7, 4. Then 7 with 2. This will be a set, you know. And then you take the second element of your first set G, that is 8, and make ordered pair taking 8 as the first element and then rest elements of your second set. So 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. So your ordered pairs will be, first is 8, 5, then 8, 4, then 8, 2. So now this is your Cartesian product of G and H. Then you can find the Cartesian product of H and G. So here H your first set becomes, your H becomes your first set. So first set H means elements are 5, 4, 2. So first element is 5. So 5 with 7, 5 with 8. So ordered pairs are 5, 7, 5, 8. Then 4, 7, 4, 8. 2, 7, 2, 8. So now I think all elements you got. See here, check whether the number of elements of GH, you know, previously we discussed in the remarks, if G containing 2 elements, H containing 3 elements. So your order Cartesian product G and H will contain the number of elements of G into number of elements of H, that is 6 elements. 6 ordered pair should be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case also 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 elements. Now you see, you already got this. Now one thing you check whether both the Cartesian product are same or not. Is it same? No, these are not same because this is ordered pair. Why the name is ordered pair? See, the element 7, 5 is not equal to the element 5, 7 because in this ordered pair the first element is 7 and in this ordered pair your first element is 5. Here second element is 5, here second. So these two ordered pair are not same. Therefore your G cross H is not equal to H cross G. That means here you can say that Cartesian product of GH is not equal to Cartesian product H and G. Thank you.